Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and if you're a fan of LifeProof cases but don't feel like you need a waterproof case for your iPhone XR, you might want to check out the LifeProof's SLAM. So this case is all about the drop protection. It gives you as much drop protection as any LifeProof case at 6.6 feet or 2 meters of drop protection, but because it is not a waterproof case or a port protective case, it's able to do so in a much thinner and more lightweight form factor. It also has a transparent or translucent back, which does a wonderful job in showing off your iPhone, which of course is particularly important for the gorgeous colors of the iPhone XR. Let's check this out on my iPhone XR in Coral. Taking a closer look at the SLAM, we have a two-piece case. The sides are made of a hard rubber, and then the back is made of a hard polycarbonate material that is either completely clear or has a translucent pattern like the one that I have here. In order to get this on your phone, you need to first disassemble it and then put the phone in and then reassemble it around the phone, pretty similar to most LifeProof cases. So what you need to do here to disassemble it is you need to use the little key that they provide. You could also use a coin, which probably will have to do when you lose the key. And you put it in the slots that are down here at the bottom. There's two slots and you need to use both of them. First you put it in this slot and twist, and then in that one. Twist it. Go to the other side. Do the same thing. Once you have done that, then you can peel away the back from the sides of the case. And then you're all set. The next thing that you want to do is clean your phone so that it is free of any dust or dirt or hairs or anything like that. This is important to prevent scratching as well as to make your phone look beautiful in the case. Then you want to take it and lay it down inside the LifeProof case starting from the bottom. Press it into place and then take the back of the case, put it on top, and start clipping it into place. Once you think you have the case snapped on properly, be sure to go around the edges and make sure that all of the areas are snapped on. It's very easy to miss a little spot. I've done this a number of times when putting on this case. Just make sure that everything is properly attached before you start using the case. Once installed, you can see we have a nice secure fit everywhere, no give, even over areas that typically have give, like the volume up and down buttons. That's one of the advantages of this type of two-piece case install. It tends to result in a very secure fit. We also have lots of protective lip with this case, which is excellent. It's going to fit well with many case-compatible screen protectors. This is the Rhino Shield Impact Protection Screen Protector on here right now. This will also, of course, fit with OtterBox's Alpha Glass, and right now looks like on their website they've got a promotion where if you buy one of the LifeProof cases, it looks like you get a free OtterBox Alpha Glass screen protector. Not sure how long that is going to last, but seems like a pretty good deal. Looking at our port openings, we don't have any port protection as such with this case, but these are quite deeply set, which should give you lots of protection for your speaker and microphone areas as well as your lightning port. The lightning port opening should accommodate many third-party lightning cables. You may find that you use your lightning port a little bit less than you otherwise would with this case because, of course, this does support wireless charging. Going around to the sides, we have a nice amount of grip with this case. Feels very nice in the hand. This is not the sort of grip that's going to make it difficult to get this in and out of pockets and handbags, but it's enough to make it feel very secure in your hands. Our buttons here are a bit on the stiff side. They're not too bad, but they are not super easy press, although they are rubber covered and they should do a good job in protecting your iPhone. And then going over here to our mute switch area, this is easy to access, no issues there. Going around to the top, no problems there. And then going over here to our side button, we've got some LifeProof branding over here, and the button itself, again, just like the volume up and down buttons, this is a little bit harder to press than some, but not too bad. Looking at the back of the case, I really like the way the fun translucent pattern highlights the beauty of my iPhone. Love the way it makes my Coral look. You don't have to go with a translucent pattern on the back here. There are also completely clear versions available, but I like the way the pattern looks, and also I think it has some practical advantages. A major reason for having a pattern on here, besides the fact that it looks cool, is that I think that it draws the eye away from fingerprints and scratching, which are of course issues that you have with this type of material. This crystal clear polycarbonate is going to tend to show scratches and fingerprints. However, the material is not going to yellow, because yellowing is an issue that you have with TPU and not polycarbonate, so that is good. Also, in terms of scratching, you have a rim that runs around the edge here, so that when you put this flat on its back, it's going to sit up on the rim rather than exposing the entire back of the case to the scratch producing surface. So I think that that is definitely going to help reduce the amount of scratching you have on this case over time. As far as fingerprinting, it doesn't seem too terribly fingerprinty at this point, but typically fingerprinting is an issue with this type of case, so I would keep a microfiber cloth handy. As far as protection for your protruding camera, we have plenty of protection here without any issues, and this case does support wireless charging, so that is excellent. So overall, just a really nice case from LifeProof for iPhone XR. Really like the amount of grip it has in the hand, just enough to be nice and secure, and not so much that it's hard to slide in and out of pockets or handbags, and gotta love that 6.6 feet of drop protection. So overall, great case from LifeProof. Again, we've been looking at the LifeProof's SLAM for iPhone XR. This case is available directly from LifeProof as well as from other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $49.99. Comes in a total of 8 colors. This particular one is called Currents. It is one of the 4 patterned-backed versions. There are also 4 clear-backed versions. Many thanks to the kind folks at LifeProof Asia for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this case, please feel free to put them in the comments below, and I will do my best to address them. And if you are interested in subscribing to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, because I have lots more great case and accessory reviews yet to come. Again, this is Kristen with the LifeProof's SLAM for iPhone XR. Enjoy your iPhone and have a wonderful day.